Hey everybody, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Colfax, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and you can reach me at 828-773-4500. This is a 2020 Featherlight, 3-horse, 8-wide, 13-foot short wall. This trailer is all aluminum, 8-wide as I said, 7'8" tall. This trailer is like new. Is like new. It was traded in on a brand new Merhow. Absolutely nothing wrong with this trailer. They just upgraded to a little bit bigger LQ. This is a no slide trailer, and quite frankly, this is one of the best layouts in a no slide trailer. So I'm just gonna go around, show you a couple of things. I will tell you already, I can't really fault this trailer for a lot of things, so I'll point out the few minor cosmetic things and we'll go from there. So stainless nose. We'll just go ahead and zoom in on the plaque, which by the way does not have the empty weight. All this has is your GVWR, which is 16,000 pounds. So empty weight on this trailer is going to be around 10,000. That is a guess. That is not a legitimate answer. That is a guess. This trailer is all aluminum as well. It's got an aluminum lockable battery box, 2 propane tanks. It does have aluminum wheels, spare tire, hydraulic jack, white in color, no graphics. Super clean trailer. This trailer was very well kept. They bought it brand new. Like I said, all they did was do a little bit of an upgrade. No issues with this trailer whatsoever. Escape door has a nice flip up, and the flip up does have stainless on the other side. It does have a drop window in the escape door. It's got drop windows with bars, 2 manger doors for storage. It does have the extrusion on the back of the trailer, and that's the ribbed aluminum. As I said, aluminum wheels. Coming back around to the back, it does have a collapsible rear tack, brush box, blanket bar. The saddle rack does swing out. You can hook it out a little bit further for easier access. It does come with a jiffy jack that is left by the previous owners. They bought a Merhow, and Merhows have theirs mounted underneath the spare. Rubber bumpers. First thing I'm going to point out is just a little bit of wear on that bottom of that door on the rubber. Nothing to, I guess, worry about. It's 100% cosmetic. It's got a slider on that back door. This does have a polylast poured in floor, so no mats. It is a polylast poured in floor. It does have padded dividers. Lower divider. It does have roof vents. It is not fully linen insulated. Only the wall is insulated. The roof is not. That's a Featherlight Exus thing. I've never really figured that out, but it's an upgrade to get that roof insulated in a Featherlight and a Exus. How do I know that? I used to sell Exus trailers. Fun fact, if you're watching this video. So I do know a good bit about those brands as well, if you ever have any questions. Walk-through door. Horse box is immaculate. Down there at the lower part, the middle horse, there was a little bit of tear in the rubber. You can kind of see right there. Other than that, that's it. Horse box, immaculate shape. Poured in floor, which is porous. It actually lets the any liquid out. You just hose it out, and you do not need shavings. So that's how that porous polylast floor works. Right, stepping out of the horse box, heading on around to the driver's or passenger's side. There's absolutely no damage on the outside of this trailer, none whatsoever. I cannot point out anything whatsoever. It's got a big, huge power awning. It's good, skin's good, everything's good about that. Flip up step does have the stainless here at the living quarters door as well. I don't remember if I said it had a stainless nose. I'm sure I did, but coming back around just to kind of one up the front again one more time. Zoom on in underneath, and 13-foot short wall. Nice layout in this particular trailer. So I'm gonna do the zoom expanded, I guess I call it per se. Before I forget, it has a hide screen door behind me here. Hide a screen door behind me on the living quarters door. So tons of cabinets all the way above the top. This is a dinette couch combination. So that couch does make a bed. So you've got both there. So you get a little bit of both. Bed area does have cabinets up on either side, right and left. A lot of good open space. This is a real open trailer. So if you get claustrophobic, this would be your trailer. It is very open and does not feel claustrophobic whatsoever. 2 steps up to the bed. They put a grab bar in here. So stepping up, just kind of looking around. I'll give you a view from this way, looking down. Steps. This does have the console back here to the left that has a TV, has cabinets underneath for more storage. Rear kitchen, 2 stainless sinks, glass top stove, 2-burner stove, microwave. This does have a ducted AC and a propane furnace. So ducted AC, propane furnace in this unit. Does have a heat strip. Big fridge behind that console there, so big fridge. Spinning back around to kind of show you from this angle. Big and open floor plan. Okay, now I'm gonna back up and I'm gonna spin around to the bathroom. It's got a skylight, keeps it nice and bright in here, octagon shower. It's got a lot of storage behind these mirrors, kind of like the excess I have on the lot as well. A lot of storage. You'll notice they look kind of similar. Well, they're made by the same people. Those 2 companies are merged, Featherlight and Excess. Another fun fact, I'm sure most of you know that. Walk-through door. Sink and vanity here in the back corner. As I said, this is the octagon style shower. Bathroom's good size. Does have a fan. Spinning back around, pocket door. So excellent shape. This living quarters has absolutely no issues whatsoever. It's an excellent shape. No issues, no problems. Come back out so you can kind of see everything a little bit better. All right. Looks like it does have a TV, or well, it does have a TV, but it does have the DVD player and radio combo. All right, so 13-foot short wall, no slide. Great layout with a no slide though. 2020 Featherlight. We call this a Liberty Featherlight interior. I'm not familiar with that. 8 wide. Excellent shape. All right, guys, 2020 Featherlight, 3-horse, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. You guys have a great day. If you need me, 828-773-4500. Ashley, you can text or call me anytime. Have a great day, guys.